Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to change Telegram private channel to public channel. So let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application, go into the channel, then tap on the channel name. After that, tap on the pencil icon top right. Well, this interface will appear, so tap on channel type. So the difference between public channel and private channel is that public channel can be found in search and everyone can join it. Whether private channel, you can only join it via link and you can't find it on search. So as you see here, the channel is private. Now to change it to public, choose this option. Now set a link to the channel and it should be not taken. Once you find an available name, tap on the Nike symbol top right, then tap on the Nike symbol again. And this is it. This is how to change Telegram private channel to public channel. Thanks for watching. See ya.